How to download videos from GameChanger. Alright guys, so the first step you could try is downloading the highlight clips. Just open up the GameChanger app, go to the team or athlete profile, open the video clip you actually want, tap the three dots, and then simply click on share clip and then choose to save the video onto your device. That way the clip is saved locally. Now another option you could try is, downloading the full game video, but there are two ways of doing this. The first one is screen recording. Just open up your control center, tap on screen record, and then play the archived game video inside of Game Changer. And then once you're done, just stop the recording. It works on both iPhone and Android. Now, the next step is recording while streaming. So, with this option, you could easily record to your device only. That way, you get to save the original video file directly to your tab. Now, there are a few things you need to watch out for, that such as certain videos and games may require a premium subscription. Non-staff members may need premium access to watch archive videos. And then if you don't see a video, you may not have the permission to view it. All right, and you can check out the tips and another option for downloading the videos. All right.